What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Kreekcraft skin from Roblox. Let's get started in the center of our page with the inside edge of the hat. We're going to start right in the middle, start with the left side. We're going to curve this out and then bend that down along the side. Now we're going to draw the hair overlapping the right side of the head. So starting right in the middle, curve the hair going out and then down. Just going to round this out and then pull that back up. And then from the end, we're just going to taper the hair, coming down and then in. Let's go back over towards the left side of the hat, curve the hair going out and then down. I'm just going to round out the bottom, go across, and just tuck that up on the right side. Now you want to match up the bottom edge of the hat over on the right side. So we start underneath the hair, curve out, and then down towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the head. We start over on the left, curve the head coming down, rounding this out, and pulling that up on the right. Let's go up to the center of the head. Starting from the hair, we're going to draw a straight line going across towards the left. And then from the ends, draw a straight line coming down. And we'll close off the bottom with another straight line. And we'll work our way around the outside of the glasses. Starting from the top left corner, curve the glasses going up and then down toward the side of the head. Connect the outside to the bottom left corner with a curve. Come down, round out the glasses, and then pull that up. Let's go over towards the right side and draw that same curve. Coming down towards the same height, and we'll bend that back up underneath the hair. Let's draw the pupils along the inside edge of the glasses. Starting on the left, we're going to draw an oval. Going around, down, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Just going to tuck this up underneath the hair, go up and out, and we'll fill the pupils in black. Now we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Starting over on the left, curve down, and then up, and go back over towards the left side, come down towards the bottom of the mouth, and then bend that back up. Let's add the top row of teeth. Starting from the top left corner, we're going to step down, curve down, and then up, and then we'll step down, draw the top edge of the tongue. Starting on the left, curve up, and then down. And I'm going to fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's move out to the side of the head and draw two short lines, going out, then going back over towards the left, draw a straight line going up on the side of the head, and then we'll round out the top of the hat. Starting back at the top, round this out, go across. I'm just going to pull this down, aiming towards that point. I'm just going to tuck this in underneath the hair, and then we'll continue along the bottom with a straight line. Let's add those two tilted squares on either side. Starting on the top left, come down and in, come down along the sides, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's do the same thing over on the right. So we're just going to line up the top, come down and out, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then we'll close this off with a straight line. I'm going to add two small circles in the center, and we'll fill those in black. Now we're going to draw two large circles tucked in along the side of the head. Starting from the top left, curve up, round up the side, and just pull that in towards the side of the head. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Going up towards the same height, down along the side, and we'll bend that in. Now we're going to trace this large circle along the inside, starting from the top, go all the way around, and back up towards the top. Let's line this up. Now we're going to move back down and add those tassels along the side. Starting from the inside, curve down, and then bend that out, Do the same thing on the right. And we'll flatten off the end with a short angled line. And we'll follow that same curve, coming in and then up, leaving a little overlap along the outside. Let's add some texture along the inside. From the bottom, we're going to step up, draw a straight angled line, and we'll just continue all the way up towards the top. Let's draw the end of the tassels, starting from the outside, curve out and down, going the opposite direction along the bottom, close off the end with a straight line. Let's move back in and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go over towards the right, come down towards the same height. Now it's going to pull the shirt coming down and in, leaving a gap in the center. Come down and bend that in. And then from the inside, draw a straight line going all the way up underneath the head. Let's add in the collar. From the top left, angle down and out, and then angle up and out toward the top of the body. And then from the inside of the shirt, curve in and then down towards the middle. Let's go back down towards the bottom, step up, draw the bottom edge of the shirt, curving down and then up. Now from the center of the body, we're going to step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. We're going to start from the outside, curve up, just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leave a gap on the inside, just curl that back up toward the inside of the leg. And now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Starting from the left hip, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. I'm also going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. You want to take this curve, step up, just trace that across on both sides. And then we'll add a toe cap, starting from the top of the foot, curve in, and then down towards the sole. Now let's go back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, so starting right here, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, come down towards the same height. And then from the wrist, draw a small half circle, coming in and then out for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. And now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, curve down, and then up around that bracket, step down, curve down, and then up, and then the third finger, we're going to go out, bend the arm, coming up, and then in underneath the head. And do the same thing on the right. Let's separate the cuff. Starting from the top of the thumb, we're going to curve up, and then out towards the side of the arm. And now we want to add a checkered pattern across the shirt. From the wrist, we're going to step up, follow that same curve, coming in and then down, step up. We're going to do that a couple more times all the way up toward the top of the arm. Let's do the same thing on the right. And now we're going to add some lines going across the arm from top to bottom. From the outside of the wrist, we'll step in, just follow the same curve of the arm, going up and then in, step in, and draw that again. Let's add a stripe coming down the side of the shirt. Starting underneath the collar, draw a straight line coming down. And then we'll add some lines going across from left to right. Starting on the left side, just going to go across, continue on the right, step down. Just do that a couple more times. Now let's fill in the checker pattern. Starting underneath the collar on the inside, we'll fill in this square. Do the same thing on the right. Come down and out the opposite corner. And then along the inside. And the bottom corners. And then for the sleeves, we're going to start on the inside and then fill in the opposite corners. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, starting from the top. And we'll fill in that last square on the outside. And that's pretty much it. There's the Kreekcraft skin from Roblox. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.